Okay, so I'm not really a guy of many words normally. I don't really normally do the speeches. But obviously I have to say thank you for this. This is an amazing evening. I'm massively honoured to be here tonight. It's incredibly humbling to accept an award on the same stage as some people that I've looked up to throughout my entire life, iconic people such as Shah Rukh Khan. And to be gifted this award by one of my best friends, Naughty Boy, was also an amazing thing. So tonight's about thanks. I want to thank God for allowing me to be able to do what my dreams were. I'd like to thank my mum and dad for making me Asian and allowing me to thank you for allowing me to have some sort of an effect on the Asian community. It's a massive honour, and I'd also like to take this moment to thank 4 of the best guys that I ever met whilst being in the band and doing all the amazing things that I did. Some of the things that we did will stay with me for the rest of my life, and I thank you for that. And yeah, just here's to the future. Thank you very much for everything tonight.